Welcome to breedskool Galaxy. I'm so excited today because I'm bringing you good news today, and in this video I'll be showing you how to partake in a $2,500 giveaway. And if this is something that interests you, I'll also be showing you how to earn around $200 to $500 monthly working for some companies I have validated, tested. I'm working with these companies currently. They will pay you. I'm going to teach you the whole process, how to sign up with these companies, how to get approved, how to get paid into your bank account irrespective of what country you're resident in. Join us on Telegram, and once you join us on Telegram you should get updates. But the first thing you should do is to click the link below and join our quest board. The quest board is where I would post updates about all the companies I've worked with, all the companies I've worked with that are paying. And these are simple tasks here. You come here, are paying you to do these tasks, and I'm posting, you can see here the top quest boards on Quick3. These are the companies I have tested. These are metaverse, these are web3 companies that are creating applications. You can see, for instance, these Pulse Finance. If you go to Pulse Finance, if you check them, you see here we are hiring, and these guys are verified. You see here over 300,000 followers here, and you see they are verified on Twitter, and you see they're actually doing a giveaway, $2,500 giveaway. So I'm going to show you how you can be part of all this that is happening. All you need to do right now is just click the link, come and join our quest board here, and we're giving you a couple of tags. For instance, this tags, you click this tags and you visit their page. And once you visit their page, you are just required to be they'll give you some other tags on their own page, which you're going to earn more SPs. You see, these are going to give you access to earn more SPs that would bring you on the rankings on their leaderboard. You see this guy on the leaderboard here is having over 11,000 SPs. These SPs are converted to units and converted that you can convert to cryptocurrency. You can use them to buy assets, lands, properties on Nest Metaverse. You can also convert them to cryptocurrencies that you can swap and exchange into fiat and withdraw to your bank account. So everything. So once you complete this thing, for instance here, and you should show me, you see me, I'm active here on the Pulse Finance. You see here I'm on level 7. If you check here, you see how many SPs I've collected here, 5,600, because you see different tax, you see all the tax, you see how you get paid the SPs, and you climb the ranks and all that. Just do, even if you don't do up to look this 7 and you complete any of the tasks here you see on our boards, any of the tasks you see on the bar. So once you do that task, all you need to do is you would need to paste I'm putting something here. You need to put a screenshot showing me you have done the task. I'm going to put something here. You actually just do a screenshot. I have this Chrome extension is light shot. It's called light shot. Once I click it, it allows me to just screenshot, because you're going to be doing a lot of that on this quest bot. Most of them will be, once they give you tasks, they want you to screenshot. Sometimes you have to drop the link. You have to follow, read everything they ask you to do. Like if here on quest, if I'm coming to the quest on Pulse Finance, if you click any of the quest, let's say I click one of the quest, see what it's going to give you instructions. See, it's telling me to upload, follow them on Discord and upload. This other one is telling me, okay, look at it. It says invite 5 friends in our Quick3 community. The invited user needs to complete 1 quest for any invite to count. So you need to complete the quest and read, be sure what they're asking you to do before you get banned or anything. So all you need to do right now, simple, this is like a job offer for you. You can be part of what is happening now, stay at home, get paid better than even leaving your house, stressing yourself, paying transportation, stressing yourself, risking your life with these whole crazy things happening around the world. You can stay at home, and these metaverse companies will pay you straight to your bank account. So I hope this is helpful, and this is something you would love. I'm so excited right now with what's happening on the metaverse. You guys have to be also excited. So thank you for hanging out with me, and see you in the next video, and bye.